I'm doing a hike today. I'm hiking, I think it's called Eagle Rock Canyon. I've never done this before, and hiking's something that I love doing. I used to do hikes all the time when I lived in Georgia, and I did a couple last year in Cali, but trying to make it more of a routine now for me to get back into hiking, so why not take y'all with me during these hike streams. I'm chilling right now. I just got here. I didn't eat anything, so I've been loading up on these little pretzel hummus dip things. I don't want to chew while I talk to y'all. I'm loaded up on everything I need. Got like my wallet, got some shades, chapstick, electrolyte drink. I got portable Wi-Fi. We should be good throughout this whole hike. Yeah, and I got my Post little Rice Krispie treat snack. I have no idea how long this is. I really didn't look up how long the hike is, but yeah, let's start. Let's just start. Hold on. Eagle Rock, let's see what you're about. Eagle Rock Canyon. Yo, I better not see no snake. I'm gonna be so mad if I see a snake. I would honestly say it's probably like 70 something degrees right now. We're already up kind of high. Super freaking. Oh my god. Please stay on trail. Okay, let's go up. Imagine if you fell right here. There's literally cacti right there and right there. See, I do hikes all the time, but Cali, bruh, why did I do this? I don't know. I'm like over here like, oh my god. Okay, I'm seeing some squirrels. That's cool. They're chill. Oh yeah, we up there. I don't even know if you could tell how high up I am. But, okay. Shades going back on. Again. I would not do this if I was a beginner hiker. This would probably be like, this isn't hard, it's not like a bunch of rocks, but it is up. It's definitely medium. Whew. Looks like we can either go up this way or keep going this way. We'll go this way today. If I do it again with someone else with me, we'll do that. We'll do the, I do feel like I'm on an episode of like Survivor, like ooh, ooh, ooh. Oy. Okay, so it's gonna take us up there anyway. It just took us the safer way. Oh my god, I had to run up that a little bit. Okay, at least there's stairs this time. Oh my gosh. This dead ass is just a hike where you keep going up. Might have to take this jacket off soon because it is getting a little hot. You see the highway, all that. Okay, we continue. Once I feel like I'm at a good halfway, I don't even know how long this hike is, but once I feel like I'm gonna give me a little drink, eat some of my Rice Krispie treat. Oh, should I put that all the way to the top? I honestly don't know if I am on my way. I have no idea. I did all that, and there's a whole resting point right here. Hey! I made it to this overpass. I think this is it. I think I made it. So it was a short hike. But the view is crazy though. This probably is it. Like just this overpass where you can see everything. This hike, honestly, I give it a 5 out of 10 because the elevation's what made it fun. The views were kind of mid, but I love hiking, so we give it a 5. I am leaving, but it was really funny. The views weren't mid, it's just the overall atmosphere. The hike was short, it was like a 30-minute hike, but being in Cali, I've done better ones. Unless I was supposed to be up there, because I just didn't figure out how to get there, I guess. If that is part of it. Made it back. What are the odds it's gonna stay here? We'll see how long it stays like this.